1.
Information technologies are changing every area of human life. Medical field is not excluded. In 2000, first surgical robot Da Vinci was approved by FDA. Since then, this robotic arm with small instrument performed more than 20,000 surgeries. There are many robotic machines roaming lobbies and hospitals in the USA. Most advanced state with most robotic machines and IT technologies is California. Also, a lot of robotic machines have other states, Florida included. About 1,000 robots attending to patients in different USA hospitals, and this number is growing very fast. Most of robots are produced in Japan, but some of them, as this robot called Aeton, produced in Pennsylvania. Aeton Tag, gently called in the hospital Staggy. He performs blue-collar jobs, delivers medication, delivers linens for the patients, delivers trays, also pick up the trays. One Taggy can perform job of 3 employers, but cost less than salary of 1 employer. And he can't injure himself, he can't spread infections, he's very financially, economically sufficient and efficient. Of course, sometimes he needs to be charged, but that's about it. Next robotic invention that changes face of healthcare is emotional support robot called Cosmobot. For some people, idea to be touched and communicate with robots seems disturbing, but it's very interesting new emerging field in healthcare is emotional support robots. This robot, produced in Japan, company called Aibo. But USA hospitals, children's hospitals, purchase this robot, and this robot helps to communicate and enrich programs for disabled children from age 2 to 12. It's a new field, but it seems that it's working very well with enrichment and enhancement of emotional psychological development of disabled children who are staying in the hospital for a long periods of time. This robot also is a very useful tool for the doctors because he collects information about intellectual and academical development of the disabled children. Next. I don't see where I go next. Toyota company is working on series of robotic inventions. Some of them are purchased by USA hospitals. This robotic hand made by Toyota helps to feed patients who are not able to feed themselves. It's quite widely used in the USA hospitals. Also, Toyota created this nurse assistant. This robot helps to lift up and reposition patients, and it's absolutely free of injury. Most amazing, this robot scans patient's body turns around, puts brief, as you see right there in the picture, on the patient, and is very, very, very safe to use. Another robot that it's widely used in USA hospitals don't see. It's used by physical therapists to help paraplegics walk and rebuild their muscle strength. This robot is amazing because it sends magnetic signals into muscles and stimulates their action. We like it or not, but robots very helpful in the hospitals. Are amazing robotic inventions. For example, macro robots go into human body, the size of the small capsule, and scrape plaque from our arteries and remove it. Also, robots very widely used in the hospital pharmacies because it's zero human error. Those robots are not very cheap, but compared with human life that is priceless, they're worth. And we like it or not, robots and newest technologies becoming part of our life. We just need to manage them, and welcome to the future. How much? 5 minutes?